Welcome back. It's been a while since I released the last concept video on YouTube. I wanted this return to be more than just publishing another video. I wanted to turn it into an event, a chance for us to meet face to face once again. During the finale of Avdan Alternate Tech Universe, I shared that an era was coming to an end. It was a signal that my return wouldn't happen overnight. But honestly, the wait took longer than I expected. Thankfully, as of today, that wait is over. 9 years ago, I introduced an entirely new category to YouTube. By approaching UI concepts from a completely different perspective, we all witnessed the birth of a new kind of content. Frankly, even I didn't expect it to reach such a massive audience. But with your incredible support and energy, I was able to build the alternate tech universe. 30 concepts, 35 million views worldwide. Across 4 seasons and 6 years, I showcased relentless progress, innovation, and evolution. With the 2018 edition series, you were introduced to a philosophy of reimagining the past through the lens of today. And even years later, I continued to see the innovations from those early concepts being integrated into real-world software. But after 4 seasons, the alternate tech universe had reached its peak, when its style stopped being a path forward and started feeling repetitive. I made the decision to end it. I needed a new series, one where creative authenticity ruled and boundaries were entirely removed. But designing it wasn't easy. For 3 years, I prototyped countless ideas. It took time for truly crazy ideas to come to life. Ideas that would completely break away from everything I had done before. Concepts of madness. But what makes a concept truly mad? It has to present wild ideas that are impossible with today's technology, yet entirely possible in the future. And the very first step of that journey is the user experience. In a world now surrounded by artificial intelligence, it is an undeniable fact that AI will be the absolute core of the future user experience. Because of this, I needed to design an interface that captures the dynamism and vitality of AI. An interface that feels like a living, breathing organism. And I believe I have achieved exactly that. In the first look video you will see during this event, you are only witnessing the seeds of this idea. This user experience will evolve and grow alongside concepts of madness. But before we get there, a new era shouldn't just bring a new design. With HDR displays now more widely accessible than ever, it was time to elevate the UI concept viewing experience to the next level. It is essential that you see the interface on your screen exactly the way it was meant to be seen. To bring this idea to life first, the perfect candidate was AvdanOS. While it was loved by many, you never truly saw the AvdanOS concept in the rich colors and the vibrancy it deserved. From the wallpapers down to the smallest micro animations, I completely overhauled it. I rebuilt it for a flawless 4K HDR pipeline. So here it is, the world's first full-length 4K HDR UI concept video. You have just seen the past, meet 4K HDR. Now it's time to talk about the future. An interface ready for a world where AI is the central nervous system of software. Alive, dynamic. Let's take a quick sneak peek at what I have been building from the ground up for the last 2 years. Ready? Let's start. 2 years ago, Concepts of Madness started with one single goal: design the impossible today for the reality of tomorrow. That required a new foundation. While Google iterates on material design and Apple explores liquid glass, I had to push further. Introducing AvdanUX. Alive, intuitive, dynamic. Every single UI element is now a living, reacting entity. Meet my core material, Vapor, an interface that feels like a living, breathing organism. Unlike traditional glass, Vapor breathes. It feels dynamic, even at rest, without ever distracting you. And when you interact, it responds with incredibly subtle, fluid elegance. Perfecting this material and animation took nearly 2 years of relentless iteration. Because a dynamic UI for the AI era isn't just about effects, it's built from the ground up. Starting with my monochrome system icons, designed from scratch, perfectly consistent, with entirely adaptable stroke weights. I completely reimagined the app icons too, carrying over my learnings from AvdanOS. AvdanUX is more than just an idea. It will evolve, it will grow. This isn't just a UI concept. It's a beginning.